We got somebody I wasn't aware of that's running for office, so why don't we bring her up? Hope. She's running for the state house.
Everything Russell said, let's go with that. Let's work on all those projects. In my brochure, hi everybody, thank you for being here. Thank you, A-Leg Defense Fund, for educating us. How many times have we had meetings and we've seen the same people and now more people interested in about their life, their lifestyle, and what they're breathing in their lungs. One of my issues for the legislative session for next year is support and work in conjunction with the Hawaii County Council regarding geothermal buffer zone, not a study zone. Relocation programs for the people who want to get away from a bad lifestyle, a bad way to live, and evacuation programs immediately. We have some people that come to see me on a regular basis at my little business, and they're the well drillers that work at the geothermal plant. I invite everyone in this room, as well as Dominic and everyone else. You can go on the Geothermal Pooner Ventures website, click in tours, take a tour, and see what we're all about over there, folks. The man's name is Mike Kelakini. He was at the Pahoa school meeting that we have, and he invites us all for tours. See what they're going to show you and what they're not going to show you, and make up your own mind. I live in a very strange little community, Black Sand Beach subdivision. We get and can tell on the nights that the trade winds are really seriously blowing. Whatever's coming out of the geothermal plant, which we need to study and find out, folks, monitor it or whatever, comes all the way over to where we live. Past Seaview, where does it stop? To Volcano National Park on the lava. I urge everyone to find out as much as you can, and let's go forward with this. Get these people out of this buffer zone, not study zone, as soon as possible. God bless Hawaii.